Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to check who logged into your Facebook account. So if you are suspecting a suspicious attempt to log into your Facebook account and you would like to check the list of devices logged to your account, I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this video. So firstly, head over to your Facebook application. So once you're in your Facebook application, then click on the three dotted line above. That is where your profile is shown in the little box there. So once you're there, then you just scroll up to the place where you see settings and privacy. So once you're there, you click on settings and privacy. Then you click on settings. So afterwards, you click on this account center and you click on password and security. So from password and security, you click on where you are logged in. So you will see your list of accounts that are connected with this Facebook account, your Instagram and Facebook accounts connected. So we are working on the Facebook, so you just click on Facebook. So now these are the list of devices that I've logged in my account to recently. So if there's any device here in your account that is looking suspicious to you, you can just do yourself a favor by clicking on the device and log out to log out your account from the device. So that's just how you can easily do this, guys. If you find this very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, guys.